God. And you?
I've got arsenic in me. I've got mercury in me.
Poisonous.
It is.
That's poisonous.
Virginia is for lovers, dead lovers.
What? Tell me about it.
Virginia is for lovers, dead
Virginia is
lovers.
for dead lovers. Wow.
And they killed all of our wildlife and all of our trees.
And we had to move away. There are lots of villages.
There's all this poisonous stuff coming down into my waters, and my fish are dying.